Welcome to this Sahara 4 exercise. In this exercise, we will visualize the information that was imported as maps in the previous exercise. For that, we will go to our Sahara project, quite similar to what we did in the line exercise, opening the map here configuration using this button. Here we will go to maps, check this, and here we will add new variables. Here you can use right click on the map branch of the menu and variables, or you can select them here by using the variables. This is going to open the variable selection window, and here we have the three maps that we loaded. In this case, for this example, we will visualize net thickness, and we will select it here. And now, as you can see, we have added a new branch inside the map branch that is net thickness. Obviously, we will have in the map branch, if we select it, we will have our properties associated to the map branch, to all the maps, and here we will have the one associated to the variable, the same thing as any other menu in Sahara. So now we will show the map, and here we have our net thickness plotted, and we will modify, we'll do only this modification in this tutorial. We will do it in format isolines here. So now we can see the isolines associated with the net thickness of the layer 7. Maybe in this case we can see a little bit better the net thickness of this layer 17. So that will be everything for this tutorial, and I hope it was useful. Let's see the configuration of the more detailed configuration of the map options in the next exercise.